The Ministry of Works and Transport has received an updated feasibility study on the development of the new Kampala port at Bukasa. The study, conducted by Gulf Consultants, highlights the project's financial viability, assesses environmental and social impact, evaluates the current state of infrastructure and its role in the East African trade, among others. Dennis Segoa reports.
Why we are reviewing the feasibility study, we want to see at this point in time that the construction of this port is economically viable, financially sustainable, and technically feasible. And indeed, when we looked at the study, we have realized that the construction of the port is economically viable.
Bukasa Port is envisaged to be an ultra-modern facility that will handle international cargo only and mainly from the central corridor that is served by the port of Dar es Salaam in Tanzania.
This corridor, at its height in 1995, used to transport up to 60% of Uganda-bound cargo. However, to date is transporting less than 5%, even though the cargo volumes have grown, meaning that most of the transport is done by road. Therefore, the need for reliable and multiple accesses to the sea for the Great Lakes landlocked country is more pressing now more than ever.
The port will not only serve Central Corridor per se, it will serve both the Central Corridor and the Northern Corridor. But more emphasis is more on Central Corridor. Why? Because most of the traffic, analysis showed that most of the traffic is higher by the Central Corridor if it is really provided by those vessels.
With an estimated project cost of over euro 200 million or approximately 820 billion Ugandan shillings, Bukasa port implementation has faced delays. Benon Kajuna, the Director of Transport at the Ministry of Works and Transport, sheds more light on the matter.
We still need some more 5 or so billion to complete the compensation. But finance has been able to come in and sort out that challenge of the financing. We also had the challenges of getting a contractor to do the swamp reclamation and surcharging. Because the bids which we are receiving were a bit expensive. So it took us some more time and we wasted some time on that.
According to stakeholders, the revival of the Central Corridor transport via Lake Victoria requires efficient ports and intermodal facilities.
I think is going to really strengthen the connectivity, and for the business community, having that alternative to the sea is going to be a great relief.
The total forecasted traffic from all directions is 1 million tons in 2025, with an estimated long-term tonnage throughput to 4.4 million tons in 2045. Dennis Segoa and Charlotte Muge for UBC Business.